What's your name?
My name is Anaya Santana,
And where are you from?
New York, the Bronx.
So how did you come down the program?
I had moved down here when I was around like 2 with my mom.
So like, what do you feel is like the most challenging aspect?
When I lost my godmom and I started running away.
What made you want to run away?
I didn't know how to communicate properly, so I was just doing what I wanted to do, and I took my anger out on other people.
So if you had to go back in time and do something, what do you do?
I will communicate better with my mom.
So do you think this program can help you in lives?
Yes.
How long has it been?
For almost like a month now.
How long is this program? I don't even know how long this program is.
I think like 8 weeks.
8 weeks?
Mm-hmm.
So it's really halfway through. Good. Thank you for your time. Anything else you want to say?
No, but this is a good program.